Welcome, car aficionados, to a voyage that will challenge your perceptions of speed, power, and innovation. Today, we're delving into the core of automotive greatness, looking at the newest offers from one of the most recognizable brands in performance vehicles, Nissan's GTR models. The Nissan Gtr, often known as Godzilla in the automotive world, has a 5-decade heritage. From its modest beginnings to its present standing as a performance powerhouse, the GTR has consistently pushed the limits of what is possible on 4 wheels. Let us start with the design. The newest Nissan GTR models have a sleek and aerodynamic design that not only attracts attention but also improves performance. From the distinctive quad-circle taillights to the characteristic V-motion grille, every curve and shape of the GTR is designed to maximize airflow and improve handling at high speeds. Inside the cockpit, drivers are met by a perfect combination of elegance and performance. From luxury materials to cutting-edge technology, every part of the interior is intended to improve the driving experience. Speaking of technology, let's talk about what genuinely distinguishes the current GTR models: their unrivaled performance capabilities. Under the hood, the newest Nissan GTR models are driven by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces incredible power and acceleration. The GTR's sophisticated technologies, like AETS all-wheel drive and a dual-clutch gearbox, effortlessly blend brutal force with precision control, letting drivers to confidently tackle any road or track. But what actually distinguishes the Nissan GTR from the competition is its unwavering quest to perfection. From the design board to the track, every component of the GTR has been rigorously engineered and tuned to provide an unrivaled driving experience. With each new iteration, Nissan pushes the frontiers of automotive technology, setting new benchmarks for performance and innovation. So, whether you're a seasoned track enthusiast or simply like the excitement of the open road, the latest Nissan GTR models will rekindle your passion for driving. With its unrivaled performance, magnificent design, and persistent dedication to quality, the GTR continues to demonstrate why it is absolutely unique. The Nissan GTR is more than simply a symbol of performance. It also represents innovation and technology. The GTR perfectly blends into your contemporary lifestyle, providing innovative driver assistance systems and connection choices to make every ride a remarkable experience. From Tokyo to Los Angeles, the Nissan GTR has captivated audiences worldwide with its raw power and undeniable presence. And as we look ahead, one thing is certain: the GTR's heritage will continue to excite and surprise future generations of drivers. Thank you for joining us on our adventure through the realm of automotive excellence. Until next time, stay quick, fierce, and continue to push limits.